Hey, third grade. So today we're going to build on our understanding of fractions and number lines from yesterday. Today we're going to place any fraction on a number line with endpoints of 0 and 1. We're going to start with a little bit of fluency before we dive in. We're going to start by counting by fourths from 1/4 to 8/4 and then back to 0. Follow my thumb. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, 5/4, 6/4, 7/4, 8/4. Now we're going to come back down. 7/4, 6/4, 5/4, 4/4, 3/4, 2/4, 1/4, 0/4. What's another way that we could say 0/4? Exactly, 0. How about 4/4? You're right, 4/4 is one whole. Now here's the trick. What's another way we could say 8/4? You're right, 2, because 8/4 is two wholes. Now we're going to all say this together. When I say go, we're going to read the number sentence right here and say the answer. Ready? Go. 4 divided by 4 equals 1. All right, now we're going to dive in. Today we're going to locate the point 2/3 on a number line. Now this is a little tricky because I don't have my fraction strip from yesterday. So what I'm actually going to do is pretend. So I know when I have my fraction strip, I go from 0 to 1 and I have to divide it into 3 parts. So I'm going to do the same by dividing my number line into 3 parts. I'll draw a line here. So here's 1/3 and a line here, 2/3, and here's my third. Now I'm going to start my labels. I know my 0 is equal to 0/3. This point is going to be 1/3. Over here, I have 2/3. And this will be my 1 whole or 3/3. So all it's asking me though is to find 2/3. So that point would be right here, 2/3. You could even see how I did it here. I found my 0, my 1, and I marked 2/3. We're going to try this one more time. Now I need to find 3/5 on a number line. What's my first step? Exactly, I have to divide it into fifths. Can you check for me? Is this 5 equal parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, good to go. Now my first step is I need to label my 0. 0 is how many fifths? Yes, 0/5. Now let's look at my 1. 1 is how many fifths? Exactly, 5/5. Now, using your finger, point on the screen. Where would be 3/5? Exactly. If you said 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, and pointed right here, ooh, you would be correct. On the number line, this would look like 5 0/5, 1/5, 2/5, 3/5. Right here, 4/5, 5/5. Today, you're going to practice finding fifths on the number line. Not fifths, sorry, finding different fractions on the number line. Make sure that you first divide into equal parts and then you label both the ends of the number line before finding the fraction. I promise this will help you not just today, but across the rest of the week. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments. Bye!